let's just say lahat ng more gawin natin unique yan. Cover it with your other hand. Cover. Okay, cover the whole card. Cover it with the other. Ito gawin natin. I also do finish show. Wala akong dalang magic wand. But nag-city magic ako. I always carry a magic wand. This will be the magic wand tonight. The card. Pag pinap mo yung kamay mo, and I say change. Yung Queen of Clubs, magpapalit yan. Change. Wala na, nagpalit yan. Queen of Clubs yan, ha? Nagpalit na yan. You wanna see? Change. Sige, my card. Change siya. Basta ginamit mo yung magic.
Wala kayo.
Change siya. Katagay natin. Natin na, i-push it again. That's why I'm using a while ago. Yung card mo, 4 of Clubs, may tema mo. Going to put it somewhere in the middle of the deck. Again. Now you push. Yung card mo is somewhere. Oy, may mark. You might say, ay, kaya alam yung mag-isa, may mark. Alright? Remove natin yung mark. So your card, yung 4 of Clubs, somewhere in the middle. Without the mark already. So tinanggal natin yung mark. Sumabra kasi yung push pwede na. Pero, since the magician, when you ripple, like that, your card will go on top, just like that. So, parang i-show na, it's always going on top, di ba? Lagi siya kumaangat. Gawin natin, so it will not go up anymore. We cover it with a lot of cards. Matungan natin ng maraming cards. You have to count. How many cards did I put already? I lost count. Bilang ko kung ilan na yung cards. Dami na, diba? So your card is lost somewhere in the middle of the deck and we don't know where it is. Ano naman kami mga magician? Ang goal namin is to look for the missing card. Diba? We got your cards, we got the deck, shuffle the deck, just like so. Shuffle natin siya. Silat natin, shuffle natin. Now, kung yung card mo, if this is your card, will that be amazing? After moving all the shuffle, nakita pa niya card, amazing right? Ito na naman. Tingnan natin. nung top. Going to wrap the deck. Ay, ito na rubber band. This time, dahil meron isang wrap lang face mask and rubber band, I cannot do sleight of hand, tama? Hindi ko na siya masashuffle. Tama? Hindi ko na siya makapass. I cannot do anything about it. Yan na yan. Tama? Kasi, hindi ko na siya magagalaw. Nakakain na siya, diba? So, gamitin natin ito. What I'm going to do is, let's put your card in the middle. Like that. Somewhere here. Lift your card. Put it here. Somewhere in the middle. Fair enough, fair enough. Kita. Fair. Middle, middle. The middle. Fair enough. Yes, sir. Middle, ah. Yes, yes. Ito gawin natin. So, I cannot do anything about it. Kanina kasi, I can shuffle. Tama? I can shuffle. Ay, mabilis yung kami ng magilisan. Kaya umaangat. This time, wala lang ako masasabi. Malap lang siya na pero kaya ko mag-stop. Straight up. Kunin natin yung top card. Kunin na top card. There. Kunin natin yung top card. Wala na akong kaya gawin. Kunin na. Kunin yung top card. Is this naman? Yan yung mga yung kunin natin na. Pwede naman umakas pa rin siya. Ay, ito na ba?